Hi, I'm Dr. John French. I'm an assistant teaching professor here at Syracuse University, and I'm going to be your instructor for general chemistry this fall. I am really looking forward to working with all of you, but I wanted to do a quick introduction before the semester started, just to kind of point you in the direction of some resources that'll be available and to kind of get you thinking about the semester and some questions you might have before we get started. So first, I was a chemistry major as an undergrad. I really enjoyed chemistry. I understand that not everyone is a chemistry major and we're taking it for different reasons, but I still think chemistry is an incredibly important subject. I really enjoyed it because chemistry helps you understand how things work, why things work. And also, I really enjoyed organic chemistry because in organic chemistry, you're able to build structure, you're able to build molecules and putting molecules together by forming different bonds and understanding that reactivity. But that being said, my goal in general chemistry for this semester is to hopefully give everyone a better understanding of chemistry and the role that chemistry plays in your everyday life, whether you're a chemistry major or you just enjoy baking, for example. There's a lot of chemistry in baking, or you enjoy fermentation science, maybe, for example, or the product of that. There's a lot of chemistry in that as well. So with that being said, I'm really looking forward to working with everyone and getting to meet everyone in the next week or so here when classes start. A little bit more about me in case you're looking at this backdrop here. So I'm an avid runner, and so I enjoy running quite a bit at Green Lake State Park. So this is a park not far from Syracuse. So if you get a chance, definitely take it out. And you can see I was photobombed here by a dragonfly mid-photo. But I also wanted to quickly show you a few resources that might help you this semester. So first things first, we're going to be using Top Hat as our homework platform. And so if you'll notice on Top Hat, this view is a little bit more than your view, but what I like about Top Hat is there's basically a folder for everything we're doing. And so here we break it up into modules. We're going to do the first 10 modules, basically the first 10 chapters. And in each module, you can see that there's the chapter, the reading assignment. So what we're going to cover. So for chapter 1, very simple, physical chemical changes, dimensional analysis, unit conversions. And then in the same folder is the homework assignment for that and the questions of those for that homework assignment. You can see many are multiple choice. There'll be some that are calculation questions as well. But what I also like about Top Hat is that I've built in a lot of resources that you can use. So for example, I've got folders for practice exams that I'll make available to you as we get closer to exams. I also have folders for practice problems. If you want some extra practice with the material, you just want to work a few more problems just so you're comfortable. And I also have lecture questions. So we'll be using this platform for reading, for homework, and for lecture questions. So for most students, you have to take 2 semester sequence of general chemistry, and we use this for both semesters. So I would get the year-long access, and that should be about $108 to give you access to this Top Hat platform, the in-class questions portion, the homework portion, the textbook. And if you're one of the few students that just needs 1 semester of this class, then I would get the cheaper option. And I think it's the 4-month option, I think is the cheaper option. And as you can see here are some of the questions that we'll do. And yes, you'll notice I haven't updated them for 2022 yet, but I will. And these are some questions we'll go over in class together. The other thing I wanted to direct you to was I'll be posting a lot of videos to YouTube. And so student questions, I think, really helpful to, sure, I can answer that question in email, but I think it's more helpful for everyone to maybe answer that question through a video. And so here you'll see a lot of questions, a lot of videos I made for the spring semester. And one of my projects for the spring was to kind of collect these now that I've got a couple hundred videos in playlists. And so I would definitely take advantage of this, and I'll share these resources with you as well as the semester progresses of where can you find help for what material. And hopefully the collection of material that I've put together and resources that I've put together from the homework platform to that YouTube channel really help you transition, from high school into general chemistry, a college level chemistry class. So with that being said, really looking forward to meeting everyone and working with you this semester. I think we can do a lot of great stuff this semester and really get through a challenging class. We can do it well, with some work and with these resources that are put in place. So with that being said, looking forward to the first day and getting to meet everyone. In the meantime, send me an email if you've got any questions or anything that comes up. I'll also be posting a link to our syllabus on Google Sheets. And so if you want to go in there and add some comments or add some questions to the syllabus, I think it'd be a great way to kind of prime our first day of class. If I can know what some of your questions are about the syllabus, is instead of just assuming what are some questions you might have about the course and answering those questions. So look for that link. It'll be sent out on our Blackboard page. And we're looking forward to meeting everyone and hopefully getting to answer some of your questions and then working together this summer. So with that, best of luck with your travels here to Syracuse, your move into the dorm, and I'll see you in about a week.